Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. Before we get in with our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to not miss out on any video. So guys, today we are going to be learning the numbers as you can see. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. It continues as we did in here as 34, 35. And then we begin with 40s and then comes 50s and then comes 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s, and lastly 100. Of course 1000 as well if we go so far. So as you can see in here, in 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, it always continues in the same order as we went. So it's like 51, 52, 53, as 60, 61, 62, 63, and so on. It never changes. So guys, now that you know all the numbers, you can now tell me your favorite number. Do you have a favorite number or do you have a lucky number? And which one it is? You can comment down below. My favorite and my lucky number is 11. As you always know, I have it in any of my social media is 11. It's because of that. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like it, don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends because it may be very helpful to people who want to learn about numbers. So guys, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.